I want to thank Tung Yu for 17 years of the 40 years that I managed to share with them, where I met wonderful people and we made fantastic machines. Thank you, Tung Yu.
So thank you very much for your invitation and for your 30 years anniversary. I hope that you will last again so long, and if you can reach like us more than 100 years, it should be fine. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself is Rajesh from Salnik Solutions India, and we are cooperating with Tung Yu more than 20 years, and they have very good support and supplying the quality machines, especially for after sale service. And especially Tung Yu team, Mr. Steven has given a very good support, also giving very good support to India market. Thank you very much, and I am excited to join the 40th anniversary for Tung Yu in Taiwan. So wish you good luck for your future business.
Tung Yu, all the best from my heart in regards on behalf of the whole group of rep. All the best and up to the next 40 years. All the best of luck. Thank you very much, and I hope we will enjoy this evening together. Thank you.
先祝福东玉40周年庆，也很高兴邀请我来参加这个活动，就是已经合作了30年了，第30年，现在应该是营业额应该都是那个时候的20倍以上了啊，一起走了30年，非常感谢杨董和东玉团队。对我的支持，希望东玉首先在27年上市，会尽我最大的努力，继续作为东玉这个大家庭的一员，在日本尽自己微薄的一份力量。谢谢。
Well, I wish to say happy anniversary to the whole Tung Yu team. I wish a very long success for Tung Yu and for the cooperation with REP. See you in, no, not 40 years, 10 years. I'm sure we'll celebrate again.